Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to set an app to set limit on other apps. In order to set time limit for other apps using a third-party application, for that case you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Go ahead and open up your respective Play Store. On the search box, type in time limit for apps, and when you do that you'll be able to find lists of applications that's available. According to the reviews and terms, you can go through it and install the application to your preferred. So as per the viewers and as per suggested, screen time has been considered one of the safest and easiest way to set time limits on other apps. So you can install the following application, and the interface is also very simple and easy. You just have to install it, and accordingly you can just need to allow the permission, and it's gonna set a time limit on other apps. So that's how you can use third-party application to set time limit on other app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.